This project is a celebration of contemporary container architecture, where minimal industrial elements are transformed into a refined, elegant, and deeply connected living space immersed in nature. The house is composed of two 40-foot shipping containers, stacked vertically and arranged perpendicular to one another. This bold composition generates a strong architectural identity, defined by balance, contrast, and lightness. The upper container extends beyond the footprint of the lower one, creating generous cantilevers on both sides. These overhanging volumes are supported by two square, reflective steel columns. Thanks to their mirrored surface, the columns visually blend with the surroundings, reflecting light, vegetation, and sky. This design choice reduces their visual impact and enhances the sensation that the upper container is floating in midair, suspended above the ground floor. The cantilevers are not only structural features, but also functional architectural elements. On one side, they form a protected and welcoming covered entrance at ground level. The concave underside of the upper container is carefully used to integrate recessed lighting, guiding visitors along the exterior path and leading them naturally toward the main door. On the opposite side, the same architectural gesture opens the house toward leisure and outdoor living. Here, the main exit connects directly to the swimming pool, which runs parallel to the ground floor container and follows a similar length. The upper container, positioned perpendicular to the pool, partially covers the water surface, offering shade during the day and creating a striking visual relationship between architecture and landscape. The exterior lighting, identical to the entrance fixtures, reflects softly on the pool water, producing dynamic light patterns that change throughout the day and become especially evocative at night. Surrounding the pool, a wooden deck has been used, introducing a warm, natural material that contrasts beautifully with the white metal surface of the containers and reinforces the connection to nature. The exterior of the house is defined by the white color of the container cladding, a clean and timeless choice that enhances light reflection. This is contrasted by black window and door frames, giving the facade a sharp, contemporary character. Gold color details are subtly introduced to add a touch of luxury and refinement, elevating the industrial origin of the structure into an elegant architectural statement. Entering the house, the ground floor opens into a carefully designed living space. Despite the compact width of the container, the interior layout is optimized to include a dining area, a comfortable conversation zone with sofa, and a TV area. The space feels welcoming, bright, and fully functional, proving that narrow interiors can still offer comfort, flow, and spatial quality. At the far end of the container, an operable window opens directly toward the garden, visually extending the living area into the surrounding greenery. Natural light plays a central role in the project, entering from above through a sequence of skylights carefully positioned along the roof. Between one skylight and the next, integrated artificial lighting is concealed, providing soft illumination during the evening and nighttime hours. From both the entrance and the living room, the spiral staircase immediately captures attention. This sculptural element acts as the vertical core of the house, connecting the lower and upper containers, while also becoming a defining design feature within the interior. Moving along the ground floor, the day zone bathroom appears, compact, elegant, and naturally lit. Nearby, the kitchen benefits from its own skylight, ensuring a bright and pleasant working environment throughout the day. Ascending the spiral staircase, the upper level reveals the private sleeping areas. A bedroom designed for children includes a desk and all essential furnishings, with large lateral glass surfaces framing views of the surrounding landscape. The connection with nature remains constant, whether during sunny summer days or quiet winter mornings. The upper floor also contains a refined bathroom for the night zone, intimate and functional. As well as a double bedroom. Though compact, This space offers everything needed for rest and comfort, enhanced by natural light filtering through large windows. Outside, the house is embraced by vegetation, lawn, and planted areas that soften the industrial geometry of the containers. The building blends into its environment, adapting beautifully to every season. In winter, the white volumes stand out against the muted tones of the landscape, creating a calm and poetic contrast. During rainy days, reflections on metal, glass, and water enhance the atmosphere, while at night the carefully designed lighting reveals the architectural forms with elegance and restraint. The skylights allow views of a starry sky from the living room below, reinforcing the emotional connection between interior space and the natural world. Designed to be compatible with off-grid solutions, this container home represents a sustainable and flexible way of living. It is ideal both as a permanent residence immersed in nature and as a vacation home, where architecture, landscape, light, and seasons merge into a single, harmonious experience. This project demonstrates that container houses can be elegant, complete, and expressive, proving that thoughtful design can transform essential spaces into meaningful places to live. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and consider subscribing to the channel for more architectural projects and 3D visualizations. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.